Hi friends! It's me, Miss Philly, with Philly's Read Aloud. Christmas is coming up and I have some Christmas stories for you. Today I'm going to read Llama Llama Holiday Drama by Anna Dewdney. If you have a copy of this book, go ahead and open it up with me. If not, I have the link down below for you so that you can hold it in your hands, because there's nothing like holding a book in your hands and reading it. And there's also some link down there, more Llama Llama books that are really fantastic. So go support the author and get that book for you or a loved one. And let's dive into the book. Let's go. Llama Llama Holiday Drama. Llama Llama Holidays. Jingle music, lights ablaze. Sparkly candles, yummy bread. Dress-up clothes in green and red. How long till that special date? Llama Llama has to wait. It says only 15 more shopping days. Llama Llama holidays, ads and signs and store displays. Only 12 more shopping days. Fluffy snow and funny elves, goodies piled high on shelves. Just how many days to go? Llama Llama wants to know. Time to buy and search and shop. Mama carries, Llama drops. Buy a friend a rubber duck, pirate ship or tractor truck, wooden blocks or building set. What will Llama Llama get? Llama Llama holidays, hustle bustle, cooking craze. Measure sugar, roll the dough, 10 more batches left to go. How many more days again? The special day is coming when? Take the cookies out to cool. Frost a great big batch for school. Add some sprinkles. Almost done. Teacher gets the fancy one. No more cookies left to bake. Llama Llama tummy ache. School has dreidels, songs, and bells, big red ribbons, woodsy smells. Draw a snowman, make a star, decorate a candle jar. Are there many days to go? Llama, time is going slow. Mama needs a present too. Get some sparkles, sticks, and glue. Roll it up and wrap it how? Llama wants to give it now. Llama Llama holidays, unpack stockings, unwrap trays. Shiny silver, fancy plates. Llama Llama waits, waits, waits. It's very hard to wait sometimes. Cut out snowflakes, tape them up. Pour some eggnog in a cup. Oops! It's yucky on the floor. Llama Llama waits some more. Stringing lights is not much fun. How come Mama isn't done? Is the big day coming soon? Llama Llama starts to swoon. All this waiting for one day? Time for presents right away. Too much music, too much fluff, too much making, too much stuff, too much everything for Llama. Llama Llama holidrama. Come and listen, little llama. Have a cuddle with your mama. Sometimes we should take a rest and hold the ones we love the best. Wishing, waiting, wanting things, we forget what this time brings. Gifts are nice, but there's another. The true gift is we have each other. Llama Llama, warm and snug, gives a kiss and gets a hug, snuggles close with Mama Llama. Happy holidays for Llama. The end. If you enjoyed this book, please give me a subscribe and a thumbs up. And if you ring that bell, you can get all the rest of the holiday books that I'm reading. I have a whole stack here that I'm going through, so don't forget to ring that bell so you don't miss any of the books that I'm reading for you. Also, don't forget to check this out in the link down below so that we can support the author and have this book in our hands. Books are great things to get kids. You can never have too many books. So go get reading. Thanks, friends. Merry Christmas. Bye.